Hello, this is George Senda, the authentic, original, one and only real, official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or substitutes, and people who talk about me. All right, and this is another episode of Burgh Unboxing. This one comes from Bellingham, Washington, right where Area 51 drone is, that neck of the woods. This is, and this is mobile Burgh Unboxing. I am definitely mobile, as we are on the road and it is sprinkling and threatening rain. God, I can't get it out of the bag. Okay. And this is a new shirt, which you'll see me wear if we don't get killed here. And it says, I voted Donald Trump and will do it again in 2020. So this is my new shirt to annoy liberals and Democrats. And so there it is. Didn't have a Trump shirt of any kind, or Trump hat, a Maga hat. I got one now. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, with Kathy driving like a maniac, trying to get over here. And we're headed to the car dealer. So, have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and hopefully not too wet, as it is definitely starting to rain here. And I will catch you next time. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now.